Congratulations on your purchase of the IronKey Vault Privacy 80 external SSD. Be sure to check out the Quick Start Guide to get started. Now that you've performed the initial setup with the user-friendly touchscreen, let's walk through some of the additional features and menu options to ensure that you make the most of your VP80ES. To access the menu, tap the gear icon. Admin menu. This is the admin menu controlling all the advanced settings for VP80ES. Tap the first menu item to change password. Set User allows a user profile to be created. The admin profile can be used for recovery and configuring settings, and the user can be for everyday use. Tap Set User, then Enable. Tap the back arrow to confirm. Tap the check mark and your VP80ES will return to the admin menu where you will need to tap the back arrow, connect the drive, then lock and disconnect, and finally, power off the device. The user password will be set the next time the device is powered on and the user profile is selected for login. Let's do that now. On the login screen, tap User, then the check mark to set up user password. Enter your desired password consisting of 6 or more numbers, letters, or a combination of both. Tap the ABC or 123 button to switch between the two screens. Tap the check mark and re-enter the password to confirm. Your user password is now set up. Let's power off and back on to log in as admin and return to the admin menu. Next is read-only mode, which will ensure that your VP80 unlocks in read-only mode for both admin and user. This can protect the drive from dangerous malware being written to it when used on untrusted computers. Password rules allows admin to define the alphabetic or numeric character requirements. Password length is where you can set up the minimum length between 6, the default, and up to 64 characters. Next is password counter. This is the maximum number of invalid admin or user passwords that VP80 will allow before triggering a crypto erase of the SSD, which will wipe out all data forever. The default is 15 attempts, and it can be set between 10 to 30 attempts. It is important to note that the selected number of attempts is shared by admin and user. VP80ES by default randomizes the login keyboard layout. To disable this feature, tap on Randomize Key Layout. Auto lock time, brightness, and language are options to customize the settings of your drive to your preference. On the last screen, Secure Erase is where you can completely wipe all data from the drive or reset the drive to factory default. The Touch Calibration option is if you need to manually calibrate the interface. We recommend using a stylus or pen when doing this for the most accurate results. Last is touch sounds, where you can disable the touch sounds that are enabled by default. We want you to get the most out of your VP80ES, so we hope this walkthrough has been helpful. For more information or troubleshooting tips, please visit kingston.com/ikvp80es resources.